Hey there, folks. All right, just a couple quick mail calls here. What you've got? So this first one here is a card from TriGogglin, aka Pappy. So, get the yearly Christmas card, it looks like, from Pappy. I'll put a link in the description to his channel down there. I support him over on either Patreon or through the YouTube. Through YouTube, I'm a member of his channel. He actually has two channels. One is the TriGogglin, and the other one is I forgot what it's called, Pappy Sasquatch something or other, but Pappy's other channel. So I'll put a link to both of his channels in the description. So let's see what we got. All right, the new ornament for 2025. So every year, sitter, it says, hi, 3Dub. You know, because this week workshop, some of the folks in the chat will call me 3Dubs, which is pretty cool. Hope this finds you well. Thank you for all your support to me and the channels. Hope you and yours have a happy holiday season, from Pappy. Well, that's cool. It's even got a little hanger here. So, yeah, check that out, eh? That's awesome, bud. I appreciate it, Pappy, eh? That's awesome. And I'm happy to support your channel, bud. It's, always enjoy your content. And it's always nice that we got to meet a couple times this year and watch Trackside, watching Trains Trackside. Hopefully we get to do it again sometime in the coming year, eh? Meet up and hang out and watch some trains, bud. So, all right, hey, that's it. Just a quick mail call. On to the next one. So, got a little package here from Jim Tedesco. He was doing a live stream, and he mentioned he has this technique for making figures in 3D printing them, and he said if anyone wants one of him to send him an email. So we did. So this is just a quick thank you. Jim, I appreciate you sending this out to me, bud. It's awesome. So what do we have here? It's going to be probably pretty hard to see on camera, but it's just a 3D print of Jim Tedesco. It's a mini Tedesco. So we'll get this painted up, and we'll figure out what we can do with them, eh? But that's pretty cool how he does that. He can make these from a picture. That's cool. So, all right, Jim, man, I appreciate it, bud. Enjoy your live streams. I don't always get to make it into them, but when I do, it's always fun, bud. So, all right, again, thanks, Jim. And remember, folks, till next time, be kind.